Okay, if you're taking the midterm, then you're going to need the midterm study guide, and you probably want to know that you're getting the right answers on it since you can use it on your test. So taking a look at it real quickly right here, you're going to want to pay attention. Q2 midterm study guide. Know these equations, know how they work. Velocity equals frequency times wavelength. Wavelength equals velocity divided by frequency. Frequency equals velocity divided by wavelength. If velocity is 35 meters per second and the frequency is 5 hertz, what is the wavelength? So we're going to be doing 35 divided by 7 equals 5, and its wavelength, meters. If the frequency is 3 hertz and the wavelength is 2 meters, what is the velocity? 3 times 2, and that's going to equal 6, and it's velocity, so it's 6 meters per second. If the wavelength is 4 meters and the velocity is 12 meters per second, what is the frequency? So we put the order differently here. This is going to be 12 divided by 4, which you should know equals 3, and it's going to be in frequency, so it's 3 hertz. Okay, crest, top of the wave, trough, bottom of the wave, or wave. Okay, bottom of the wave. Wavelength, distance from one point on a wave to the same point on the next wave. Amplitude, height. Height of the wave. I know that's wrong. It's spelled wrong. What's the relationship between wavelength and frequency? So a shorter wavelength is a higher frequency. Sorry, I put low higher. It is a higher frequency. In which medium, solid, liquid, or gas, does sound travel the fastest? Fastest in a solid, slowest in a gas, liquid, middle. Why does sound travel at different speeds in each medium? Because of the particle distribution. Okay, vocab, sound and light. So that's that whole part on that. Sound and light, refraction, bending of light, absorption, taking in light, barrier, waves bounce off, okay, scattering, light goes of direction, compression, okay, squished together part of a longitudinal wave, rarefaction, spread out part of a longitudinal wave. I know there's some spelling errors in here. Reflection, bouncing off a surface at the same angle. Source, whoa. Let's make this back into source. Where a sound or light wave starts. Name a room where you would best hear an echo. A gym. Sound is what type of wave? Longitudinal. Does light need a medium to travel? No. Why is light dimmer, not as bright the farther away you are? Because air takes in some of the light. And because it goes in every direction, not just toward you. Oops. Toward. Is anything faster than light? No. Not sound? No. What kind of surface reflects sound best? A hard, plain surface like a brick wall. Okay, what's the relationship between high frequency and high pitch? High frequency equals high pitch. What is the relationship between angle of incident and angle of reflection? They are the same. Okay, and you can use that on your midterm. Good luck.